What's up, guys? I'm back for the second DC CW superhero TV show unboxing. I just recorded the one for Arrow season 6, which will be uploaded shortly. But this one is for Supergirl, the complete first season on the Blu-Ray. There's back end if you want to pause and read special features. Alright. And I don't know about you guys, but she's hot. I like her. And you're gonna not. Yeah, it says from the Dream Team behind Arrow and the Flash, Crystal Bell, MTV News. Oh, I'm rocking my Superboy shirt. Yeah, Shani. Yeah. So yeah, this is only Superman shirt I have, but I will be wearing something special for the next Flash video. Just wait and see. But yeah, this is season 1, and here is season 2. Best Buy exclusive steelbook, which I already did an unboxing video for. If you haven't seen that unboxing video, please feel free to do so. And always that, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, but it says all new episodes is fall on the CW. Yeah, so I'll get to unboxing. And also Smallville appeared on the CW. I believe the last half of the series, like seasons, I think 6 through 10, appeared on the CW. And also today we got new DLC for Lego DC Supervillains for the Aquaman movie. Aquaman movie Pack 1. I already completed it. Already completed the level. In story and free play. Yeah, that level is not hard at all. Like, especially trying to find the collectibles, because there's 5 mini kits, one perfect poster, and then also the true villain status. Yeah, that's it. Oh, yeah, shit. There we go. Yeah, I'm not trying to make this long video, but there we go. I'm getting it. And then I added season 3 of Supergirl to my Christmas list, because that's the one I missed out on. But here you go. There it is. Back. And then
Hold on, do the front again.
yeah, there's a lot of hot ladies in the CW superhero shows, if I say so myself. Like there's Sarah Lance, Laurel Lance, yeah, Queen, Felicity Smoke. That's a very hard name to say. And in the Flash, Iris West, Caitlin. Yeah, I believe that's it. And then in Supergirl, of course, Kara Danvers, Supergirl. Also in Flash, Nora Allen. Got here digital copy code for Supergirl Season 1. Get it? Yeah, you guys are good. Doesn't expire until December 31st, 2019. So you guys are good. Add it to your digital TV show and movie list library. And then here's the episode guide. Here's the back, all the characters. All right. So we have Melissa Benoist, Supergirl, Kara Danvers, Kara Zor-El, McCade Brooks, James Olsen, Shyler Leigh, Alexandra Alex Danvers, hey, Jeremy Jordan, Winslow Scott. Sorry, I didn't get that. And then we get with David Harewood, Hank Henshaw, Marcia Manhunter, and Calcita Flockhart, Cat Grant. Yeah. So, here's a very nice shot at Supergirl. Very nice. I like that. I like that a lot. You ready? So here's discs 1 through 3, all episodes plus special features. Okay. So now here are the discs. Disc 1 with the Supergirl logo, disc 2 and disc 3. All right, cool beans. Yeah, so this was my unboxing of Supergirl, the complete first season on Blu-ray. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. So guys, everything. You can also leave me a comment section below, letting me know what's your favorite Supergirl character, episode, season, and if what you guys think of Ruby Rose's look as Kate Kane, Batwoman, and just take a quick look at my DC section. Right. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.